Well, I think you are right, but if you look at the current credit union landscape, it's kind of hard to distinguish the good credit unions from the bad credit unions. So, in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 credit union credit cards that offer high limits to applicants who earn at least $1,200 a month. Don't you go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. The Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I am doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Now let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 credit union credit cards that offer high limits to applicants who earn at least $1,200 a month. Number 10, we have First Tech Platinum Rewards. Our score, 7.5 over 10. So the minimum monthly income here is $1,000 per month. So if you're making $1,000 gross per month, you're pretty cool. And this is a good credit card. So you have APR that is as low as 8.24%. You can earn rewards point for every dollar spent. This is kind of cool. And there's no annual fee. We love that. And you can redeem your rewards point for travel, merchandise, and charitable donations. Okay, we love that. And in terms of features here, so no annual fee or balance transfer fee. Okay, and the APR will oscillate from 8.24% to 18%. This is really good. And what we love is that you actually can earn 10,000 bonus rewards when you spend $2,000 in the first 60 days. Okay, think about that. You earn 1 point for every dollar spent on everyday purchases. And the cool thing is points never expire while the account is open and in good standing. Okay, so this is really good. And so First Stack Platinum Rewards, 7.5 over 10. Number 9, folks, we have here Credit Human Rewards Preferred. Our score, 8 over 10. Here, the minimum monthly income is $1,200 gross income. Okay, so this card is kind of cool because the APR is as low as 9.65% on purchases and cash advances. Balance transfers, the APR is as low as a 5.90%. This card carries no annual or balance transfer fee. This is really good. You have bonus points or cashback rewards program, extended warranty on purchases, price protection, identity theft resolution services. And if you were to ask me, this is a great card because this card actually rewards you. This is what it is. And the cool thing is that you can choose between bonus points or cashback rewards. It's totally up to you, okay? And the cool thing is that you just need to pick the reward option that works for you. If you need help with rewards, hey, by the way, you can give them a call, not a problem. So Credit Human can be reached at 800-854-0790, okay? And so for the bonus point, you can earn 1 bonus point for every dollar in purchases spent on your MasterCard account. And bonus points can be redeemed for things like airline tickets, travel packages, and merchandise. Okay, for the cashback option, the cashback rewards accumulate over a 12-month period from October 1st through September 30th each year, and rebate earnings are accrued and paid annually via a credit to your credit card account. So fantastic. Number 8, folks, we have Alliance Visa Signature. Our score, 8 over 10. And here the minimum monthly income is $1,000 gross, okay? And when you think about this card, this is basically your everyday cashback credit card, okay? We love the fact that you can earn unlimited cashback with no annual fee and no tricky categories to track with the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature card. The cool thing is, what we love is that the fact that the cashback rewards program is very simple. And especially when you have those tricky categories out of the way, that's really good. There are no rotating categories, okay? So you can earn unlimited cashback. You can earn up to 2.5% cashback on your first $10,000 of qualifying eligible purchases. The rates are as low as 12.49%, okay? No foreign transaction fees, no annual fee. And this card works very well with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay, okay? And so here is a rundown that you need to know. The cool thing is that you will love Alliant high rate checking also. If you have this credit card, first of all, those are credit unions, right? So you need to be a member. But if you have a checking account with them, you can actually earn 0.25% API if you also have the credit card. So this is really good. And you also have $0 fraud liability guarantee from Visa. No monthly service fees with this high rate checking account. Number 7, we have Logic's Platinum Rewards. Our score 8.5 over 10. Here, the minimum monthly income is $1,200. Okay, that's gross income. And what we love is that this is the most popular credit card from Logic's Platinum, from Logic's Credit Union. And the card, we love the fact that with this card, you can earn valuable rewards points with every purchase. You spend $1,000 in the first 90 days, and you can get 10,000 bonus points. And you have a 0% intro APR for purchases for the first 12 months your account is open. Tell me about that. That's really good. I mean, if you were to ask me, this is really good. Okay. And the cool thing is that you also have the Logic Rewards, the Logic Relationship Reward status. This is really good. Okay. And so let's talk about the outstanding rates and benefits. So you can earn up to an incredible 3 points per dollar spent. This is really, really good. No cash advance fees. Cashback, you can redeem your rewards for cashback, gift cards, merchandise, and travel. This is really good. And no foreign transaction fees, okay? And the APR is kind of decent. It goes as low as 10.99%, okay? And this is really good. And other benefits include what? You have auto rental coverage, trip cancellation insurance, MasterCard Airport Concierge, MasterCard Global Service, Identity Theft Resolution, and you have $200,000 travel accident insurance. You have unique card numbers and zero liability. Okay, and you also have exciting mobile options. Fantastic. Number 6, folks, we have ACU Green Rewards. Our score 8.5 over 10. Here, the minimum monthly income is $1,200. Okay, and when you think about ACU, I want you to think about when you think about this credit card, I want you to think about cashback. Okay, cashback, no fees, a great rate, and the good thing is that they have an exceptional local service. Okay, and the cool thing is that with the ACU Green Rewards card, you will get an exceptional rate, cashback for every purchase, no fees. And we love the fact that the APR is a little high based on if you compare this with the competitors, but it's okay. I mean, APR is 15.99%. Okay, and the APR will vary with the market based on the prime rate. And the APR for balance transfers 6.99%, forever fixed. It's always fixed. Okay, and you can earn 1.5% cash back on everything you buy. And the card has no annual fees ever. Okay. And you can enjoy 24/7 access to your account. So let's think about it. The cool thing is that the ACU Green Rewards has a wonderful rates. So ACU Green Rewards card comes with exceptionally low interest rates, okay, when we talk about balance transfer or the regular APR. But one thing I love is that they have auto rental collision damage waiver, Visa checkout, you can monitor your purchases, you have immediate card replacement, EVM security chip, fair credit score welcome. In some cases, they also welcome poor credit scores, okay? And you have a 25-day grace period on payments. Wonderful. Number 5, folks, we have Consumers Credit Union Platinum. Our score 9 over 10. Here, the minimum monthly income is $1,800, okay? But in some cases, they will bring it down to $1,200 if you have a strong relationship with the with CCU, okay? And what we love here is that you have a 0% intro APR on new purchases and balance transfers for 12 months when you open a CCU Visa credit card, okay? And the CCU Platinum Visa credit card offers generous limits and a great rate with no annual fee. And the cool thing is, through CCU, you'll also receive additional insurance when you rent an automobile. So in addition to 0% APR on new purchases and balance transfers for 12 months, as I just told you, this card offers the CCU's lowest rate and generous credit limits with no annual fee. Fantastic, okay? So you have automated fraud alerts, okay? No annual fee. 0% APR. You also have a secure online account review and payment options from the CCU site. E-statements now are available. and you have a Visa's zero liability, which means that you are protected if your card is lost or stolen. You have travel and emergency assistance services. You have ID Navigator powered by Norton LifeLock. Fantastic. Number 4, folks, we have a Fairwinds Cashback Visa. Our score, 9 over 10. Here, the minimum monthly income is $1,100, $1,100, and so this card has interesting features that we love. First of all, you have no annual fee, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees. This is just wonderful. Right off the bat, this is wonderful. On top of that, you have 1.5% cash back on all purchases, okay? And you have 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months after account opening. And after that, your rate will oscillate from 10.49% to 18% based on your credit worthiness, okay? And you have mobile wallet solutions for Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. You can receive your cashback on demand when you want them, and through a statement credit or a direct deposit to a Fairwinds account of your choice. And the cool thing, what we love with this card is that you can actually personalize your card with your own custom image. Think about it. This is kind of cool. Well, you have to pay $15 though, okay? And additional Fairwinds Cashback Visa card features include you have purchase security program, shipped so far sound, travel protection, warranty manager service, account alert, ID Navigator, online self-service, roadside dispatch, and zero liability. Number 3, folks, we have Connexus Max Cash Preferred. Our score, 9.5 over 10. Here, the minimum monthly income is $1,000, okay? And this is a great card. Why? Because you can get more value with up to 5% cash back in 2 categories you choose. You have to choose the categories. And the APR for purchases, 14.74% to 23.74% based on your credit worthiness when you open the account, okay? But you have an intro APR for balance transfers. You have 0% intro APR for the first 12 billing cycles for balances transferred within 1 year from account opening. This is wonderful, okay? You have 2% unlimited cashback on one everyday category of your choice, and you have 1% unlimited cashback on all other eligible purchases. And you'll receive a $150 bonus rewards after you spend $500 within the first 90 days of account opening. So this is kind of cool if you were to ask me, okay? And you also get 5% cashback on the first $2,000 combined eligible purchases each quarter on two chosen categories, as I said before. So when you think about this Connexus Max Cash Preferred, you know what? This card has so many rewards. So many rewards. You have 5% cash back from 2 categories like cell phone providers, TV, internet and streaming, home utilities. You can redeem for deposit into eligible checking or savings account, stipend credit or rewards card. Okay, this is really good. And you can also have a 2% unlimited cashback from 1 category such as gas stations and ground transportation, restaurants and food delivery, grocery stores and grocery delivery. Wonderful. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks. We are still continuing our rundown. So number 2 here, you have the Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature from PenFed. Our score is 9.5 over 10. The minimum monthly income is $1,500, but they can bring it down to $1,200 if you have a strong multi-product relationship with PenFed, okay? And so this card is kind of cool. We love this card, and we have reviewed this card on other shows. And the card gives you 2% cash back on all purchases for PenFed Honors Advantage members, 1.5% cash back on all purchases for non-members. You have $100 bonus statement credit when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days, okay? Annual fee, $0. And the purchase APR here is kind of high, but, you know, it is what it is. It ranges from 15.99% to 17.99%. And you also have a 0% promo APR on balance transfers for 12 months from, this is kind of cool. And so you are earning cash back for everyday purchases. This is a cool part of this card. Okay, and let me break it a little down. So basically, you have a $100 bonus offer statement credit when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. Okay, and the card has no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees. In addition to that, you have enhanced security, 24/7 monitoring, chip-enabled cards, secure remote commerce. Remember, and you also have tokenized account numbers in your mobile wallet. This is really good. Number one, the best of the best when it comes to the top 10 credit union credit cards that offer high limits to applicants who earn at least $1,200 a month. We have the Navy Federal Cash Rewards. Our score 10 over 10. Here the minimum monthly income is $1,200. Okay, so this card is fantastic. It's wonderful. You can earn up to 1.75% cash back on all purchases. Okay, and the cool thing is you can redeem as soon as you earn. You're not really there's no limit here. Okay, rates wonderful, 9.65% to 18%. So this card is best for getting cash back, everyday spending, and average to excellent credit. But in some cases, they will consider you if you have poor credit but a strong multi-product relationship with Navy Fed. Okay, and the cool thing is that the other cool thing is you can even pre-qualify. If you are already a member, you can find out if you pre-qualify for a credit card before you submit an application, and this will not affect your credit score. Okay, so the card has no annual fees, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees. Wonderful. And in terms of rewards, you can earn up to 1.75% cash back on all purchases. I just said that before. And you have there are no rewards limits, no rewards expiration while the account is open, and you have collision damage waiver. This is really, really good. So overall, again, you have a no balance. You have the ability to freeze or unfreeze your cards. Okay, you have access to your credit score. You have fraud notification. This is a wonderful card. Before I wrap up this conversation, I just want to have a quick conversation with you about how do you apply for a credit card when you make $1,200 per month. Okay, in other words, your income is low, but you want to get a credit card from a credit union. There are a lot of things you need to do. First of all, make sure that your credit score is good. If you have poor credit score, you need to have a strong multi-product relationship with a credit union. But if you have let's say a good credit score or a fair credit score, you are good to go. So when we talk about credit scores, we are talking about basically a scores that goes from 300 to 850, right? So if you are in a poor category, we are looking at 300 to 579. Okay, if you are in the fair category, we are looking at 580 to 669. If you are in the good category, 670 to 739. If you are in the very good category, you go from 740 to 799. And if you are in the exceptional category, you go from 800 to 850. Okay, the thing is, you got to use your credit card responsibly. If you want to get a new credit card from a credit union, you better use the cards that you currently have responsibly. It's really important. Okay, make sure that you pay off your balance on time every month. Be mindful of your rewards. Okay, take advantage of your 0% APR period if you need it. This is important, and you need to also choose the right credit card for your needs. So, see, credit cards are different for different needs. So you have secure credit cards, 0% intro APR credit cards. You have student credit cards, travel rewards creded cards, premium rewards credit cards, regular rewards credit card. Which category are you in, boss? Talk to me about that. So the thing is, if you have a bad credit, very, very bad credit, go for a secure credit card. That way you can gradually make your way up to the FICO ladder. Okay, if you want to carry a balance, 0% intro APR is cards are really good for students. Just choose student credit cards. Okay, don't try to really confuse yourself with I love this credit card. No, if you're a student, choose a student credit card because the benefits actually are in sync with your situation. Later on, when you graduate, you can move on to something else. This is what it is. Okay. And if you're a frequent traveler, choose a travel rewards card. If you're a big earner, big spender, you want to go for a premium rewards card. In other words, you're paying an annual fee, but you also reaping a lot of benefits, okay? And for everybody else, you can choose a regular rewards credit card. Okay, this is really important. I also want to talk to you about how you can apply, because you have to prepare to apply. So, I mean, everybody tells you, hey, listen, if you are low income, low budget applicants, you can't get a card. That's not true. You can get a credit card from a credit union and even a regular bank. Okay, applying for a credit card is a pretty straightforward process. Okay, and card companies don't want to bog down no clients after all, but there is still a little prep work you can do to expedite your application process. Okay, and what do you actually need for a credit card application? You need a social security number, a source of income, and you need to have fair credit, good credit. If you have poor credit, it's not a problem. But don't forget about pre-approval, because pre-approval is an optional step to see which cards you might get fully approved for without making a hard pull of your credit. And you want to do that. So during pre-approval, a credit card company will typically request your name, address, social security number, income, monthly rent or mortgage payments, and your credit score estimate. Okay. And why should you get pre-approved? Because pre-approval can save you the hassle and disappointment of getting rejected for a card, not to mention the ding to your credit, right? So it's always a great idea to pursue a pre-approval if you are right on the cusp of a card's credit requirements. That is, let's say 567 and they require 570, or 667 and they require 670 plus. And finally, apply. So after you have done all the digging, all the research and whatnot, you really want to actually apply. So make sure that you actually submit your personal info, your income, signature, okay? Because a credit card application, mind you, is a binding legal contract. So the bank will need your John Hancock for their records. That's what it is. You need to list any authorized users if you have them. And if there are some balances you'd like to transfer, this is where you have to actually input that. So the bottom line is that don't just let your low income be a hurdle, be a challenge, be an obstacle for your application, for your credit card application, especially if you want to go from a credit union. We all know that credit unions are generally flexible. They are more flexible than traditional banks when it comes to accepting new members, including low income members. All right, folks, before I close today's conversation, please check out our credit card evaluation approach. We have a strict methodology when it comes to reviewing, categorizing, and listing credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, here's a recap. Today I've been talking to you about the top 10 credit union credit cards that offer high limits to applicants who earn at least $1,200 a month. Number 1, Navy Federal Cash Rewards, 10 over 10. Number 2, we have the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have a Connexus Max Cash Preferred, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have Fairwinds Cashback Visa, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Consumers Credit Union Platinum, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have ACU Green Rewards, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have Logix Platinum Rewards, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have Alliant Visa Signature, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have Credit Human Rewards Preferred, 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have First Tech Platinum Rewards Credit Card. Our score, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.